Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Visa gift card to your PayPal account, even if you're a complete beginner and don't have any bank account linked to PayPal. This process is super simple, so just follow along step by step. Before we start, there's one thing you need to understand. You cannot directly transfer a Visa gift card balance into your PayPal balance. However, you can link your Visa gift card to PayPal and use it for payments wherever PayPal is accepted. So let's quickly set this up. First, open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and log in to your account. Don't worry, you don't need any bank account added for this process. Once you're inside your PayPal dashboard, look for the option that says Wallet at the top or bottom of the screen. Click on it. Now you'll see an option that says Link a Card. Click on Link a Card. Take your Visa gift card and enter the details, the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code on the back. PayPal will also ask for a billing address. This is very important. Your gift card must be registered with a name and billing address, or PayPal will reject it. If your card is not registered yet, simply flip the card and visit the website printed on the back. It's usually something like visagiftcard.com or mygiftcard.com. There you can enter your name and address to register the card. Once that's done, come back to PayPal and enter the same details. After entering everything, click Link Card. PayPal will verify the card, and if all the details are correct, it will be added immediately. You'll now see your Visa gift card listed under your payment methods inside your PayPal wallet. Now remember, the gift card balance will not appear inside your PayPal balance. PayPal won't show it. But when you try to make a payment using PayPal, it will automatically charge the Visa gift card as long as it has enough balance. So you can still use your gift card normally through PayPal. And that's it. You've successfully added your Visa gift card to PayPal as a payment method. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.